Amazing. Let's come and say hi to them. Please join us while we do that. Come.
Mike, hello. Hello.
Wow, what a gorgeous moment.
Looks like everyone's turned up at their glamorous best.
You know,
Hi. Are you guys excited? ऐसे तो नहीं लग रहा. Hi. Hi. How are you? Good.
so how about we ask them, say, I am Tamanna. Say hi, Tamanna, everybody.
Hello, my lovely people. I'm so excited to be here with you. We're gonna have a fun afternoon and some amazing conversations.
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
You know, this looks like a great moment with everyone in the frame, and I can't help it, but I want to take
Hello.
a selfie
Such a
right
pleasure.
away. Can I have your phone?
Thank you.
Sorry? No, can I have your phone?
Thank you for having me.
I think this is the perfect moment for all of us to take a selfie with everyone right now. I have not seen so many of them right now. Come, please join us. Okay, this is going to be one great selfie. Can we have our photographers on board? Okay, everybody please raise your hands and make some noise.
Hello.
I like how everybody's giving so much love to Tamanna right now.
It's just lots of love to each and every one of you. Hello guys. Hello. Nice to meet you. All the best to everyone. Hi. Yes. Hello. How are you today? Feeling good.
All right. So, we'll all get a chance to do that later. Tamanna, it's
I did
time
well.
to go and have a lovely conversation.
All the best. Lots of love. Lots of love, guys. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Nice to meet you, ma'am. How are you guys? Hi, baby. Hi. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Nice to meet all of you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Yes. आप आगे आ जाइए मैं हाथ मिलाती हूँ. All the best. Yes, I'm right here. For everyone.
Hello.
Don't pull me up. Hi guys, hello. कैसे हो मैम आप? बढ़िया? Yes मैम. मैं बैठ जाती हूँ. Nice to meet you. Yes ma'am. I'm right here.
All right, Tamanna, it's time. I think Tamanna is making it much more beautiful. The Glam Up Fest is absolutely incredible.
All the best guys. All the best. इनको कुचल मत दो please. इनको बाहर निकालो.
All right, please join me for a conversation.
अभी Flipkart वाले डांटेंगे मुझे.
Come.
Hi guys, hi. I'm here, I'm coming back. I'm right here guys, I'm right here. All the best guys.
Wow, that was amazing. Look at the love everybody's giving right now. It's incredible.
It's exactly why you become an actor, a performer. It's this connection that we're all trying to build and all trying to create.
Right.
And for the work we do, we get such unparalleled volumes of love. The least we can do is be here and spend those few moments and actually experience the love back.
Yeah, and I can see you do that. You're having a good time being with everybody right there. It's so nice to see that. How do you feel? How does the Glam Up Fest look? It's so, you tell me.
First of all, I really want to thank Flipkart for inviting me to this Glam Fest, because this is such an amazing initiative that you guys have made, and it's definitely going to be the revolution in the whole creative aspect of how content creation is going to be happening from here on. And I love the fact that apart from being the first few players to begin with in this sector, you also are always the first person to take the plunge, take that, that chance of moving how people are eventually going to enjoy commerce with connection.
Yeah.
And also just enjoy this entire space of creating for eventually all the consumers to be able to experience. So yeah, thank you. I'm very very appreciative of the fact that you guys are make the first move.
Thanks for being here. Thanks for your kind words. I think you've lit up the. Exactly. It's all for them.
But बहुत ज़्यादा खुश मत होना. There's only one way. You have to only grow old, huh? You'll have to come onto our side of the table. तो
Yeah.
enjoy कर लो while it lasts.
The Gen Z is going to be the next millennial, you know. So it is like a circle, guys. Okay.
Absolutely.
Shankar.
When they used to call me Gen X, I used to feel very proud about it. But yeah, jokes aside, I think we are living in an era where change is happening much faster than before.
Right.
And Gen Z especially, it's a learning for me. I have two Gen Z daughters and my office is full of Gen Z people. So Gen Z people is a sort of,
I
feels
mean,
like a different tribe only.
Yeah,
but it-
like the way you're saying it
is.
also feels like a different time.
but it's a fun tribe to be part of, trust me.
Yeah.
And just two things I want to call out, which we see as Plum, that Gen Zs think differently. One is about genuine connections.
Right.
Even in the world of social media, where you're not meeting that person, there is some connection that's happening. That's quite incredible to see, and we've seen it over the years. And the other thing is authenticity in everything that they see. So they need to know why something is working and not just be told that it is working.
Right.
So the why behind it, whether it's a clinical test, whether it's an ingredient, whether it's somebody endorsing it, it all needs to sort of fall in place. So there's a lot of reasoning that goes on. It's not just
Yeah.
what I see and I just like something in this move.
Yeah.
So yeah, exciting.
It's exciting, absolutely, it is. You know, my question, Tamanna, is that you're right at the heart of digital revolution right now. And how do you see this landscape changing? How are your followers evolving? Have you seen some change? What are their expectations? And are you reinventing any new kind of approach? You know, just
It's actually a very interesting time to be alive because I think it's like you have no option
Huh.
but to put your most authentic self ahead. And it's very daunting to do that. It's extremely scary because back in the day, I don't know how many people were even that honest to their friends or family. और अब तो हमको ये side अपना पूरी दुनिया को दिखाना है. So I think what technology has done, and as much as there's a section that might demonize it, but actually it's gotten us to get over our own fears
yeah, that's
around
true.
being ourselves. Now being yourself is celebrated. It's also the only way to connect. Like if I put up something that is my genuine experience, look like in the sense of whenever it comes to beauty and glam, whenever I put up something that's an actual experience, I see people responding to that with a lot more gusto than anything that's very curated or really made, with a lot of post production. I don't think anyone cares for that. People want to know what is your actual takeaway because essentially they are going to be making choices based off your experiences.
Right.
So, and the beauty is that at this point, especially when it comes to beauty and glamour, I think people are already very informed, but now they want to know what's the texture of something,
Right.
whether it suits them or not, whether it's meant for their skin type. So they're also very curious about many other aspects of things in the beauty game. So it's not I can't just package something and put it and say, "Arey khareed lo." So I feel like it's also such an amazing time that we are putting our most authentic self forward, and also there's a genuine sharing happening. Like I'm actually able to put out my experiences and it's actually helping someone. So there are lots of like pluses to this time, but it's also very daunting.
Why is it daunting?
Because it's interesting that at the end, it's only your experience.
Right.
It could differ for somebody else. So that window is always open.
Like
So-
maybe the criticism part, you mean?
I guess. But,
yeah.
but I also think that the internet lets you do that. We
Yeah.
are in that space where you can give your perspective, it can be your sharing, and hopefully it helps and benefits somebody. But yeah, a great time to put out your side of the story when it comes to anything related to beauty. And I keep like putting out some nuskhas of my whatever I've learned over a period of time. And in my case, for me, this is my every day. Like for me, glamour is casual. Like
Right.
I wear glamour very casually because I wake up in the morning with fully. I'm always like, and it's not like you're waking up with makeup, but you're still it's a part of my DNA now, and it's
Right.
not something I have to put on anymore.
Yeah.
So it's very interesting how I can kind of share that with my followers, and also build new equations. I feel like sometimes I post something that's completely something I haven't done at all
Yeah.
in terms of beauty, and I find new people reacting to it.
Uh-huh.
So it's also building community all over the world. So it's actually a very interesting time to be here, and to be able to influence people in any capacity.
And we've always seen you be real, bold, and beautiful when you're online, right, guys? Can we make some noise for
Thank
Tamanna?
you.
Can I hear some? Yeah, yeah. So we love you. We love to see you. We love to
Thank
see you
you.
what you're going to post today, especially the selfie, probably.
You know, I have to tell you, you were talking about how you guys have changed how the social approach is. My favorite post of your page is actually a girl giving her brother's photo a digital bath. It's my favorite video on Flipkart
Yeah.
because I think it is genius. And I love the fact that everyone is allowed to just be themselves. Like she can't give her, like her brother doesn't take a bath, so she gives his photo a digital bath.
Yeah.
And I'm like, the concepts that you guys are coming up with are absolutely next level, and they're so entertaining. So हमको तो बहुत कंपटीशन दे रहे हैं आप, बिकॉज अभी हमको बहुत अच्छा सोचना पड़ेगा एंटरटेन करने के लिए लोगों को.
आप हम पे बहुत प्रेशर डाल रहे हो.
नहीं, आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो ऑलरेडी, तो आई एम गेटिंग इंस्पायर्ड.
Alright, talking about Flipkart, you know, there are so many exciting things happening, but it's excitement along with challenges together. So how is Flipkart adapting to keeping pace with this rapidly growing and changing times? Consumer behavior is changing, everything, and it's happening really fast. So how are you guys keeping, up with this?
See, as a product leader and a technology leader, in my career, I think this is the most demanding generation.
Yeah, oh my God.
Most demanding generation. And we feel responsible for them.
Yeah.
Right? And what you see is, I mean, a lot of things that we do, for example, all the decluttered UX that you see, the revamp of the app, all these inline CLPs that we have, that's just one part of it. But I think, as was Tamanna was talking about, I think I wanted to touch upon it. This humanizing aspect, right? The ways humans are now interacting with.
Flipkart is putting creators right at the heart of shopping experience with the groundbreaking new platform. Yes, the Flipkart Creator Hood. This is designed to empower creators to connect deeply with shoppers, craft rich and authentic content, and redefine what influence and engagement mean in commerce. All right, Ramesh, could you share some insights around what this means to creators? Because I'm very excited about this, Ramesh.
Yeah, so
I had a chance to speak to the Flipkart team, and everybody told me that, oh, Angela, this is the next big thing. And they gave me an insight to what was going on, and they showed me the Creator Hood. And guys, you have to try it. It's absolutely amazing. So, yeah, Tamanna, would you officially do the honors and launch the Creator's Hood?
I am so honored to launch Creator Hood. Flipkart, should we do it?
absolutely.
Let's go.
Where are the flipsters? Come on, make some noise. Woo! One more time.
Woohoo! But that's not enough, guys. Keep making that noise right now. We have the Flipkart Creators Hood. Take a look on the screen right there. All right. Can we? Is it okay if we play the video one more time? Yeah. All right. So this is the Creators Hood. Are you excited for it, everybody? Yes.
So Creator Hood बोल दिया, but what is Creator Hood? Let's get into it. Basically, of course, the whole idea of and the whole idea for Flipkart is that they want to create community, connection, and content, which eventually leads to the marketplace not just being commoditized, but something that actually helps the creators. So, content creators will do exactly what they love to do, which is create content authentic to them. But now they get to be partners with Flipkart and they work with Flipkart to create content for them for the products that exist on Flipkart. And if the content that they are making actually translates into sales, then they get validated for it. Am I right, sir?
Oh, bang on.
Bang on,
Right?
right?
So it's amazing for creators because Flipkart is becoming absolutely self-reliant, and to be honest, any kind of independence comes with people complementing each other, and here it happens through creators. So yeah, it's this amazing revolutionary time for creators to actually monetize what they love doing, what they're passionate about, and actually put it into commercial value.
So well said, Tamanna. I think now everybody has a greater idea of what's going to happen. I think since Tamanna knows it so well, how about we get her first? Yeah, to do one of these.
I should be the. Am I the first creator
Yeah,
on Flipkart?
yeah, you are.
Can I be?
I don't think you'll be the first creator. There are already creators on it.
Like
Okay.
for
But
this
you'll-
for the creator
for the new one, yes.
the new
yes.
creatorhood.
Yes, why not? Why
Okay.
not?
Why
If-
not? That would be exciting.
If any of your creators, please go back to that content creator hood
Yes.
and please register yourself on Flipkart if possible. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Now, thank you, Ramesh. Thank you, Shankar.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you,
for having
Tamanna,
me.
for sharing
Thank you.
your insights. And thank you all, my content creators, everyone for being with us over here. Please make sure you go and check out the Flipkart, creator hood. And here's to a future where creativity meets commerce in the most exciting ways. Enjoy the rest of the Glam Up Fest 2025. And don't forget, once again, to take a look at the Flipkart Creator Hood. Please make some noise for these guys right now. Come on, everybody. These are amazing, amazing people. Come on, thank you so much. All right, let's get some photographs. Enjoy yourselves, everybody. We'll be back for some more launches right here. You know, Tamanna, I have a request from one of our photographers saying that they wanted a selfie with you right now.
why not?
Yeah? But this time we want an exciting selfie with the last one. Guys, can we have our photographer here? But everybody has to come this side so we can get a nice photograph with all of you, okay? But this time you have to make some more noise. Make sure the Glam Up Fest is completely filled with your energy over here. You ready? You ready? Tamanna, this is your spot. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, God. I think you guys need to be on this side. All right, and Tamanna's already getting photographs with you guys. This is a perfect selfie. Make sure you go ahead and post it online. Make sure it's part of your reels, and we will see you online, everybody. No, please.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't
ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top.
How are you? Wonderful. How are you guys? Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi.
आप बोलिए.
Go for it? Okay. हाँ जी, आप. Yes. Good to see you. Actually, I'm very, very thankful. Thank you, Ramesh sir, for calling me here. Flipkart ने हमेशा जब भी कोई कदम उठाया है वो सबसे पहले उठाया है. कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करते हैं, कुछ करेजियस करने की कोशिश करते हैं. जो हम लाइफ कॉमर्स का ट्रेंड कई और देशों में देखते हैं वो हमारे यहाँ आप लेके आ रहे हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा है क्योंकि ग्लैमर आई थिंक सिर्फ एक्टर्स तक सीमित नहीं होना चाहिए. मेरे हिसाब से जितना भी काम मैंने किया है मैंने नोटिस किया है कि मैं तभी सबसे ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस फील करती थी जब मैं कंफर्टेबल हुआ करती थी. और दैट रियली पुश्ड मी टूवर्ड्स फाइंडिंग ब्यूटी सोल्यूशंस, फाइंडिंग ग्लैमर सोल्यूशंस विच एक्चुअली मेड मी फील connected, comfortable, and just made me feel more of myself. So what Flipkart has come here with is extremely revolutionary क्योंकि ना ही वो लाइफ कॉमर्स के 100 hours लोगों को दिखाने वाले हैं. Am I right, sir? 100 hours of
Just keeps growing.
it just keeps growing, right? And also they've launched something really interesting which is called content creatorhood, which I think is again something that is going to make Flipkart really self-reliant and independent because they are channeling their power to actually work with the creators to help creators do what they love the most, which is create content, but in a way that they can actually make commercial use out of it. And this wonderful collab that they are doing with creators is so symbiotically beautiful क्योंकि वो creators की मदद करता है क्योंकि वो अपने काम और अपने पैशन को कमर्शलाइज कर सकते हैं, और फ्लिपकार्ट को क्रिएट कर सकता है बहुत ही टैलेंटेड, ओरिजिनल और ऑथेंटिक इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के साथ. So yeah, it's a win-win that they've come up with an idea that's an absolute win-win, and I'm so excited कि उन्होंने मुझे चुना आज ये बात आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए, because I think somewhere मैं भी लोगों के साथ सीख ही रही हूँ. मुझे भी actually to be honest इसके पहले I didn't know what is like live content creation, what is that entire format. But जैसे कि audiences भी knowledge पा रही हैं ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के द्वारा, इवन एक्टर्स आर लर्निंग एवरी सिंगल डे. ऐसा नहीं है हमें सब कुछ आता है, हम भी सीख रहे हैं. एंड इनफैक्ट ये सीखना और वक्त को अपनाना, हर वक्त कुछ नया आता है और हमें उसे अपनाना पड़ता है. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इज़ द फन, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी स्टिम्युलेटिंग. यू नो, यू फील excited every morning to do something. So thank you, Ramesh sir, for always being the first person into
Here, we would love to have you do a live stream on Flipkart.
I would love to do
We'll
that.
figure out how to make it happen.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. हाँ जी.
तमन्ना जी को आपने यहाँ पर बुलाया, इनका ग्लैमर हमें बाहर देखा. तमन्ना जी डांस है, इनकी पॉपुलैरिटी आपने कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आपके शब्दों से?
No, I think one is we are very happy to have you here. I think you bring a lot of energy to and inspiration to the crowd. I think you are very pretty, very beautiful. I think in the entire India deserves to be beautiful.
Yeah.
I think we're providing a platform for all the content creators to actually share their experiences with the entire world.
Absolutely.
And people can actually pick up these products that work for them. So we are very happy to have you on board.
Thank you. Thank you. I think मैं एक ऐसे दौर में हूँ अपने लाइफ के कि I am just trying to find ways of expressing my true voice, because I think वो ही कहना सबसे मुश्किल होता है और वो ही actually लोगों तक पहुँचता है. So I am also in that journey where I think I've really looked more inward for inspiration, and I'm really enjoying that.
This is the last question.
जी. Yeah.
And this event itself is the biggest witness to that.
Yeah.
And a lot of factors have taken a stand and calm also about how influencers are working together with that.
You know what I love, what I truly love, is I am an actor. That is my first entry into being a public figure. But what I love about the times that we are in today is that it is democratizing the ability to be an influencer, the ability to be a celebrity. Today it's not, I mean, I didn't have any background, but I made my way up and became an actor, reached people's hearts. But for people who don't want to be actors, who are not largely performers, actors, they also today can be celebrities, influencers, can put their voice across to people, which actually helps people. So I love the fact that we are democratizing it, and actually I don't feel competitive around it. I actually feel like, what is the point of it all if there is no community building? This time and age is actually giving us a chance as human beings to create communities. And it's our responsibility as an actor, as a film personality, to actually support that, because it brings a lot of livelihood to a lot of people. And I think a lot of people deserve that. And this is a great opportunity to do that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who's my fashion icon? Last question, please. I don't have a fashion icon at the moment. I don't have a fashion icon at the moment, sorry.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Of course. I can't finish an event if I don't take a photo with him.
Please go.
It's a... Thank you, Mahesh.
Hi, Tamanna, just watch one question.
Oh my god! Oh, I just took a breath. Wow, like a beauty. Can we all come a little ahead right now? Tara, I think you're looking absolutely gorgeous, and everybody would like to, say hello to you. Say, hi, Tara!
No, don't
Okay. Tara, before we move on quickly to a lovely conversation that Priyanka is going to have with you, let's ask you two simple questions. If you had to choose your go-to lipstick color, which would that be? Red, nudes, whatever you think. Yeah.
Check. I'm always very confused, like most of us girls are when it comes to lips. But I think in the day, I'm always doing a nude. Sometimes in the evening, I'm going with a glossy nude or a bold lip. It really depends on the day.
So that's something that you like. Okay. And if you had to expect a nice surprise box from Flipkart, what would you expect? What would you expect in that gift box to be?
Listen, I'll expect lots of lovely things. There are so many fantastic brands that you guys have. And I'm not going to lie, expecting lovely, lovely things after this talk. So I'm very excited.
Fab. And three essential things that we'll always find in your purse.
Well, my beauty essentials, a little bit of skincare, and my cellular phone.
Oh, absolutely. Please give it up for Tara one more time. And now the conversation that you all have been waiting for. The chairs are set. Please join us.
Wow,
Nice.
oh my God. Okay.
Very nice.
Yes,
We should
please.
get down.
All right, it's about to get very, very interesting.
Okay.
Enjoy yourselves. Priyanka,
Thank
over
you.
to you.
Thank you. Am I audible? I'm not audible. Yeah? Am I audible?
Say yay!
Am I visible? Okay, the mic also revolted. Okay, all right, beauty lovers. Are you so excited about this particular session? We have Tara, we have Varun, we have Manjari. Manjari, you're looking sexy, as always. Varun, you're looking dapper.
Thank you.
And Tara, you're looking like an angel. Okay, some compliments for me, maybe later, backstage. Yeah?
I
We
feel
are-
like skincare's diversity candidate.
Oops, no.
need that one
Yes, we definitely need that voice, always.
Thank you for having us as a part of this.
Thank you so much.
We have
Thank you.
adopted it recently, but we're going to be heavy users of the category in the long term.
Perfect, perfect. No, absolutely. 400 million Gen Zs, yeah? 100 million e-commerce shoppers, and 70% of them already shopping on Flipkart. That's the kind of power the Gen Zs hold. And today, this particular panelist group yeah? How have consumer expectations changed, particularly, especially the Gen Z? And are we seeing the rise of a more educated, result-driven consumer, or still there is room for ritual and emotion for them?
I think we're at a phase and time in every sector really where there's the best of both worlds. I think there's always going to be a certain amount of nostalgia attached to certain beauty products. You know, for example, when we were growing up and we'd go and hug our nani or our dadi, and you had a specific scent that your nani and dadi used to smell like.
Yes, yes.
That's attaching nostalgia, and that idea I don't think ever leaves any sector really, beauty or otherwise. So I think there's the best of both worlds because today, as you said, and as we've been talking about it, there's so much knowledge in comparison to, I would say, even the late 90s or early 2000s when I was growing up. There was a very specific amount of knowledge that we had. I think the accessibility and availability of products and so much that has come in, I would say, over the last 10 years, and it's only going to grow so much more, obviously. I think that has really changed the game, but that doesn't take away from the natural sort of attachment and idea of beauty that we had growing up. I think it's only getting better. We're going from strength to strength. There's a lot more inclusivity, I think, which was much needed in beauty and skincare. I'm very, very proud to be associated with brands that stand by that. So I think there's always going to be the best of both worlds now because I think in the last 5-7 years, if not more, there's been a rise in all of these things in the beauty market. So I think, best of both worlds now.
When I hear you, you reminded me of Nani ke nuske, Dadi ke nuske, and they still are so relevant.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Well said. Thank you so much, Tara. So let me come back to you, Varun. So here's something I have noticed.
It's a very interesting time in the business. I think as someone myself, I endorse beauty and skincare brands myself. And it's a very interesting time. I think it's wonderful to be part of a generation that is so aware and mindful of what they're putting out. I follow some fantastic content creators on Instagram myself, and I'm learning so much as I go. Beauty, fashion, lifestyle, these are things that have always fascinated me growing up. And of course, now it's a part of something that I do in my work. I feel like it's wonderful, even friends of mine who are not content creators are very, very clued into what works for our skin. Like I said, when we were growing up, it was such a different time. I think the availability of information was just not there. There was very little that we knew, and we did our best with that, of course, and it was a wonderful time too. Very simple, sweet time. But I think it's fantastic that the youth is so clued in, so interested in knowing. Also, sustainability is something that comes into play here, and I'm very proud of the fact that my generation is one that takes that very seriously and cares very much about the earth and the environment and adds that into content creation as well. I'm following a lot of people that talk about this and that sort of put this into their work as well. So I think it's something I'm very proud of, and I'm very happy to be here to talk about this actually, because I've been endorsing a beauty brand for some time now, and I'm very proud of the work that we do. And it's just a very exciting time as someone from the youth to just be here to talk about that. So thank you for having me.
No, absolutely. It's our pleasure. In fact, I'm just wondering, so many hot people sitting on the stage, okay,
Thank
and
you.
there is no fire. So let's have rapid fire. Yeah? Okay. So I have 4 statements. What we will do is we'll start like this and then we'll go like this. All right? Okay, perfect. Either a word or a phrase, but no thinking time. Whatever comes top of mind. Yeah? All right.
Skin as well, because I'm kind of like going with that look right now.
Perfect.
Clearly that's a trend.
Yes, clearly. So we'll start from there. One beauty habit you wish people would let go of.
Leaving their DIYs in fridge for like 48 hours, they catch micro contamination.
I was going to say the same thing.
Yes, we can do another. But what about you? The same thing. One beauty habit you wish people would let go of.
I'll go with what Varun.
There is no fire here. There is like calm water
Buying
flowing.
small packs from Flipkart. They should all buy big packs. Huh?
Yes.
High OV, better delivery.
First, every time they buy, they should buy from Flipkart.
Yeah.
And then when they buy, they should buy
Yeah,
the
that's a very
And
good
they
beauty
should
habit.
go out and tell
Very,
more
very
people
good
to
beauty
buy from Flipkart.
And now you can get it in minutes.
One beauty product.
Really bold like makeup. I think that's probably it. Yeah.
Okay.
I think advent of serums.
Serums. Okay. Okay. Fair enough. I will check with you why that, maybe backstage. But you know what? Before we get to the next module, this is Sir couple. They are fitness and beauty enthusiasts. And let me, if I can just get up and come closer to them, and if somebody can please give them a mic. Yeah, I also have a, oh, yeah, right there. You're there. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Beauty First trend reports that we have kept here. Can we please, okay, let me remove the much awaited thing here.
Thank you.
Anjali. Can I also please invite Kejal and Ankur, who have been tirelessly working on this report, on the insights?
Come join us here.
Achha, this side.
Let's be in the center right now while we unwrap this. Oh my God, I'm excited.
Okay?
Shall we do the honors?
Yes. Shall we
Yeah.
do the honors?
Yes. Let's do that.
All right. While the unwrapping happens, look at that. Wow, there it is. The future of beauty is decoded right in front of your eyes. Can you please make some noise one more time? Come on. Now all of you can grab your copies right outside the hall, dive into the data, explore the Gen Z consumers, and use these insights to build, influence, and glow. Enjoy yourselves, everyone. I'm excited to read that. Thank you so much to our panelists for joining us over here. Let's get a nice photograph all together. Yes? All right, everyone, while the photographs happen again, grab your copies right outside the hall. Get to know the insights in detail. Now we're going to have a launch coming up very soon, so stay tuned, be around here. Hope you're getting some good reels, photographs, and selfies. We'll see you back here. Thank you everybody for joining us. Enjoy yourselves at the Glam Up Fest 25. Thank you. Thank you so much, Tara. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready. Ji. Good to see you again. जी मैं बहुत बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं आज यहाँ हूँ to celebrate Flipkart and all the amazing brands. बहुत ही बेहतरीन I think evening रहा है and I'm very happy that they asked me, so thank you for having me.
My pleasure.
It's been really fun, really fun.
नहीं, तारा जी से अच्छा कोई हम लोग इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते.
Please call me Tara, don't call me
Tara ji. I don't think we could have imagined anybody better than Tara to represent beauty, glamour, Flipkart, and all that we are talking about. We are talking about the new age change that we are making, and Tara, you are at the cusp of it. So I think
Thank you.
really glad that we could associate with her.
Thank you so much.
Beauty.
Beauty, yeah.
She's come to a beauty event.
Yeah, I think all of it is very important. But of course, beauty plays a large part. I think everybody perceives beauty to be something very individualistic, intimate, and personal to everyone. It plays a large role, I think, in all of our lives in different ways. Inner beauty, exterior beauty, all very important. I'm very proud to be here to celebrate beauty this evening with Flipkart. Also very proud to endorse brands in beauty and skincare that represent, I think, true beauty. So just very happy to be here to celebrate that.
What makes you more beautiful?
Me, or you mean in general?
She's naturally very beautiful.
No, oh God. I always say there's a phrase that my mum taught me, which is beauty is as beauty does. And I've incorporated that with the brand that I'm associated with. And I think that that's what real beauty is. Your actions sort of speak for what beauty you represent. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
हाँ, okay.
मतलब फोटो या अच्छा
हट जाओ भाई, हट जाओ अभी।
हट जाओ, हटो।
डन सोलो
सोलो तारा जी सोलो अंबानी मोबाइल पीछे तारा लुक सेंटर वेट
ए भाई ए
यस ओ भाई पैकअप हो गया अपने लिए नहीं है
लुक गया थैंक यू एवरीवन
थैंक यू
थैंक यू